How to BUI $SUPA SUPA Pump Token Crypto Coin. The Singularity Finance Token, represented by the symbol SFI, is set to launch soon. Before we start, please note that this is not financial advice. I am not a professional financial or economic expert. Always conduct your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or financial asset. Step 1. Understanding Singularity Finance Token. Before purchasing SFI tokens, it's important to stay updated on its availability and relevant announcements. Ensure that you follow official sources for updates about this token. As per the latest information, the SFI token will be available on February 6th at 12 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Make sure to be prepared and stay tuned for the official launch. Step 2. Creating an account on MEXC. To buy SFI tokens, you need to have an account on MEXC exchange. If you don't have one yet, follow these steps. Go to the MEXC website. Use the referral link in the description to sign up and earn potential rewards. Register for an account. Provide the necessary details, including email and password. Verify your identity. Complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) process if required. Deposit funds. Add funds to your MEXC wallet using your preferred payment method, crypto deposit, bank transfer, or credit/debit card. Step 3. Buying Singularity Finance Token (SFI). Once your account is ready and funded, follow these steps to buy SFI tokens. Log into your MEXC account. Go to the SFI trading pair page, e.g., SFI/USDT or SFI/BTC. Select your order type. Market order, buys instantly at the current market price. Limit order, buys at a specific price set by you. Enter the amount of SFI you want to buy. Check the total cost in USDT before confirming the trade. Click on Buy Singularity Finance to complete the purchase. Step 4. Storing your SFI tokens. After purchasing the SFI tokens, you need to decide where to store them. You can keep them on the exchange for trading or transfer them to a private wallet for security. Exchange wallet. Convenient for quick trades, but riskier due to potential exchange hacks. Software wallets. MetaMask, Trust Wallet. More secure and user-friendly. Hardware wallets. Ledger, Trezor. Best for long-term holding and security. Step 5. Staying updated on SFI token developments. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile, and projects often release important updates that could affect your investment. To stay informed, follow Singularity Finance's official social media accounts. Join their Telegram or Discord groups. Regularly check MEXC's announcements about SFI trading and withdrawals. How to buy SUPA P token, SUA. The SUPA P token, represented by the symbol SUA, is now available for purchase. Before we proceed, please note that this is not financial advice. Always conduct your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Step 1. Understanding SUPA P token. Before purchasing SUA tokens, it's important to stay updated on its availability and official announcements. Engaging with the SUPA P community is recommended to stay informed about updates and promotions. Step 2. Buying SUPA P token, SUA. To buy SUA tokens, follow these steps. Go to the official trading platform where SUA is available. Copy the token contract address from the official website or announcement. Connect your wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to the trading platform. Click on the swap option and enter the amount of SUA you want to buy. Select the token provider, for example, a liquidity provider or an exchange. Adjust slippage tolerance if needed. Some issues may arise due to low slippage settings. Confirm the transaction and complete the purchase. If you encounter any issues, try adjusting the slippage settings or reconnecting your wallet before attempting the purchase again. Step 3. Storing your SUA tokens. After purchasing SUA tokens, decide where to store them. Exchange wallet. Convenient for trading but riskier due to potential hacks. Software wallets. MetaMask, Trust Wallet. More secure and user-friendly. Hardware wallets. Ledger, Trezor. Best for long-term security. Conclusion. That's a complete guide on how to buy Singularity Finance Token, SFI, and SUPA P token, SUA. Remember, cryptocurrency investments come with risks, so always invest wisely and do your research. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on crypto investments and token launches. Stay tuned and happy trading.